We'll be learning how to insert a text, a picture, or number page into our header. To start, open up your Excel worksheet. Then you click on the Views tab and select Page Layout. Now your page has been turned into a header. So you click to add header. You can choose to add your page here, your name, your header title, or the picture, depending how you want to set it. So let's start by adding a page number here. Now at the top of the screen, click on page number. Then you add this is your page number. When you click outside the header, you will see it's showing the page number. And if you have more than one page, you click on the page number, then you add a slash and add the number of the pages to it. Now to add a picture to your header, you click on the left box. Inside the header and footer section, you click on picture. Then you select a location to access your pictures. You choose whatever picture you want. Now your pictures have been displayed, and when you click outside the box, it will be displayed too, but it will be shown in a very large size. To adjust the size of the picture, you click on Format Picture. Here you can make changes and adjustments to your pictures. After you're done with the setting up, you click OK. Lastly, to add header title to your header, you click in the middle or the center box and you add whatever title you want to. You can choose to customize your text. You click on it, then you go to the home page. You can choose to increase the size. You can choose to bolden it. You can choose to italicize it. You can also choose to change the color of your title. Many beautiful designs you can do with your header. So that is how you insert header in Excel. That's all for the video, guys. Do well to give it a try and subscribe to the channel also. Bye guys, see you in the next video.